It gives me immense pleasure to launch JIPMER's Freedom from Illness campaign, which is going to be conducted from 16th of July to 15th of August of this year. This campaign reflects our commitment to strengthening universal healthcare and ensuring that every eligible citizen can access the benefits of the Government of India's flagship health initiatives. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, the country has witnessed remarkable progress in making healthcare more accessible, affordable, inclusive, and digitally enabled through transformative initiatives under Ayushman Bharat. Guided by the leadership of Honorable Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Shri Jagat Prakash Nadda ji, the Ministry continues to expand the reach of these initiatives so that quality healthcare and financial protection become a reality for every Indian. As our nation celebrates the spirit of freedom, let us also strive for freedom from illness, freedom from financial hardship due to medical expenses, and freedom from barriers to quality healthcare. Healthcare is not only about treating diseases, it is about empowering people with access to quality healthcare, financial protection, and digital health services. During this month-long campaign, JIPMER will facilitate free registration and instant generation wherever eligible of three important health initiative cards, which include ABHA Card, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana Card, Ayushman Vay Vandana Card for people above 70 years of age. To make this campaign convenient and accessible, JIPMER has established dedicated registration counters across different hospital blocks. We are committed to ensuring that every eligible individual visiting JIPMER benefits from this initiative being provided completely free of cost. I appeal to all members of the public to make the most of this opportunity. I also request everyone to encourage their family members, neighbors, and particularly our senior citizens to enroll during this campaign. Let us work together to make this Freedom from Illness campaign a resounding success and ensure that no eligible person is left behind. Thank you.